Transitioning from an H-1B visa to a permanent resident status is a significant milestone for foreign workers in the United States. This process, while complex, opens the door to numerous benefits and opportunities for those seeking to build a long-term future in America. The H-1B visa is a temporary work permit that allows skilled foreign professionals to work in the United States for up to 6 years. Unlike tourist or student visas, the H-1B is a dual-intent visa, meaning holders can legally pursue permanent residency while maintaining their temporary status. The journey from an H-1B visa to a green card typically follows several distinct steps. Most employment-based green card applications begin with labor certification, known as PERM. During this process, employers must prove to the Department of Labor that no qualified American workers are available for the position, the wage meets prevailing standards, and they conducted genuine recruitment efforts without finding suitable domestic candidates. The PERM process alone can take several months, especially if selected for an audit, which might extend processing time by 6 to 12 months. Once approved, the employer files Form I-140, Immigrant Petition for Alien Worker, establishing the priority date that determines the applicant's place in line. Understanding the priority date system is crucial for navigating the green card timeline. The Department of State issues a monthly visa bulletin that determines when applicants can proceed with their adjustment of status. For countries with high demand, like India and China, this waiting period can extend for many years due to annual visa caps. When an applicant's priority date becomes current, they can file Form I-485 to adjust their status. This final step includes biometrics appointments and potentially an interview before the green card is issued. The financial investment for this transition is substantial. Government filing fees include approximately $700 for the I-140 petition, $1,225 for adjustment of status, and $85 for biometrics. Optional premium processing adds another $2,805. Legal representation typically costs between $2,500 and $5,000, though employers often cover PERM and I-140 expenses. Applicants face several challenges during this process. Visa retrogression can push priority dates backward, extending wait times unexpectedly. Employment changes can complicate matters, as the green card application is typically tied to a specific employer. Country-specific backlogs affect nationals from India and China most severely, with wait times potentially extending beyond a decade. Maintaining work authorization throughout this lengthy process requires careful planning. H-1B holders can receive extensions beyond the standard 6-year limit if their I-140 petition is approved. Alternatively, once the I-485 is filed, applicants can obtain an employment authorization document and advance parole for travel. For those seeking faster pathways, alternative green card categories exist. The EB-1 category for individuals with extraordinary ability allows self-petitioning without labor certification. The EB-2 national interest waiver similarly permits bypassing employer sponsorship for those whose work substantially benefits the United States. Family-based sponsorship through a U.S. citizen's spouse offers another route, typically processing in 12 to 22 months. The benefits of obtaining permanent residency are substantial. Green card holders enjoy unrestricted employment opportunities, the ability to travel freely, access to social benefits, and a path to citizenship after 5 years. They can sponsor certain family members and receive in-state tuition at public universities. The transition from H-1B to green card represents more than a change in immigration status. It opens doors to greater stability, opportunity, and integration into American society. While the process demands patience, financial investment, and careful navigation of complex regulations, the long-term benefits make it a worthwhile pursuit for many foreign professionals seeking to build their future in the United States.